Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something exciting for you. In just a few minutes, you're going to learn 20 easy passive income ideas that you can start right now. We all know time is money, so let's not waste either and dive straight into it. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or dreaming of financial freedom, these ideas can set you on the path to earning while you sleep. Sound good? Let's get started. Scene 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is hands down one of the easiest ways to start making passive income. You promote a product, and when someone buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create a product yourself. Just find products you love and share them with your audience. 2. E-commerce. Starting your own online store might sound intimidating, but with platforms like Shopify, it's easier than ever. Once your store is set up, it can run with minimal effort. You can outsource fulfillment through dropshipping, so you never even have to touch the products you sell. 3. Investing in stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is one of the most reliable ways to create passive income. Over time, these dividends can grow and compound, turning your initial investment into a steady stream of income without you lifting a finger. 4. Create and sell digital products. Ebooks, online courses, and design templates can be sold over and over again with no inventory. Once you create a digital product, it becomes an income-generating asset that can sell 24/7. 5. Peer-to-peer lending. With platforms like Lending Club, you can lend money to others and earn interest on your loans. The more you invest, the more you earn in passive income, all while helping others finance their needs. 6. Rent out unused space. If you have extra storage or a parking spot, you could be sitting on a passive income opportunity. Websites like Neighbor let you rent out your space to people looking for storage. 7. High-yield savings accounts. Not the flashiest option, but definitely one of the safest. A high-yield savings account lets you earn more on your savings compared to traditional banks, making it an easy way to generate passive income without any risk. 8. Real estate crowdfunding. If you're not ready to buy property outright, real estate crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise allow you to invest in properties without the high cost of ownership. You get a share of the profits, while the platform handles on the legwork. 9. Sell print-on-demand products. With print-on-demand services like Teespring or Redbubble, you design a product, and they handle the rest: printing, shipping, and customer service. You earn a profit every time someone buys, without any upfront investment in inventory. 10. Rent out your car. Don't let your car just sit there. With apps like Turo, you can rent your car out to others when you're not using it and turn a depreciating asset into a moneymaker. 11. Mobile app development. Got a great app idea? You don't even need to know how to code to make it happen. Use tools like AppyPie to create your own app, publish it on app stores, and earn through ads or in-app purchases. 12. Blogging. Starting a blog is one of the oldest yet most reliable passive income streams. Write about something you love, build an audience, and monetize with ads or affiliate links. Over time, your content continues to earn money as long as people keep visiting your site. 13. YouTube channel. If you enjoy creating video content, a YouTube channel can become a passive income source through ad revenue and sponsorships. Once a video is uploaded, it can continue to generate views and income for years. 14. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is another tried-and-true method for earning passive income. As these companies share profits with investors, you get paid regularly just for holding their stock. 15. Create a membership site. If you've built an audience in a particular niche, you can create a membership site where members pay for access to exclusive content, tutorials, or communities. It's a fantastic way to monetize your expertise while providing value to your followers. 16. License your photos or music. If you're a photographer, musician, or creative, you can license your work through platforms like Shutterstock or Audio Jungle. Every time someone uses your content, you earn royalties, creating a passive income stream. 17. Automated dropshipping. Dropshipping allows you to sell products online without ever handling inventory. Use Shopify and Oberlo to automate product sourcing, sales, and shipping, creating a hands-off business model. 18. Create an online course. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy for you to create and sell online courses. Once the course is up, students from around the world can purchase it anytime, generating passive income as you sleep. 19. Royalties from books or music. If you're an author or musician, every sale or stream of your work generates royalties. Once you've put in the hard work of creating it, these royalties keep coming in for years to come. 20. Cryptocurrency staking. Crypto staking involves locking up your cryptocurrency in a staking pool and earning interest over time. It's like earning dividends, but in the crypto world, and it's one of the newest ways to generate passive income. And there you have it, 20 passive income ideas that are easy to start and can lead to financial freedom. Remember, the key to passive income is setting up the systems that work for you long-term. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more valuable content on how to build your wealth. Let me know in the comments which idea you'll be starting today. Until next time, keep hustling, and I'll see you in the next video. New.